Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the hardware and preparing the tag. Go to Settings, search NFC, and toggle it on. This powers the antenna. Make sure battery saver is off because it can throttle NFC. Physically, hold the card near the rear middle of your Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus. The antenna is centered. Once done, keep the screen on and unlocked so the system can read or write immediately. This is the only way to guarantee the phone detects the tag reliably. Once NFC is active, use the native reader or a reputable app to perform actions. You tap Read if you just need information, or Write to store a small record, URLs, text, or simple commands. Place the tag on the rear center and hold steady. The phone will vibrate or show a pop-up when it detects the tag. If writing, confirm the data and allow the operation to complete before moving the tag. Make sure you select the right NDEF format, because mismatch can prevent a To finish, confirm the action in the app. Vibration, a check mark, or a readout means success. If the phone does not detect the tag, move it slowly around the rear center and remove any magnetic or thick cases that block the antenna. If problems persist, toggle NFC off and on, force stop the NFC app, or reboot the phone to reset services. One key troubleshooting tip: uninstall battery optimizing profiles for the NFC app, because background restrictions often break detection and writing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.